how to download music in Lark Player. So if you want to download music in Lark Player, then what you need to do is first you need to install your Lark Player application. Make sure that's installed. After installing, you can just open the application and go with Get Started. Tap on Allow. Allow the access. Once you allow the access, now as you can see that I have a few videos or a few music right here. So if you want to download music in Lark Player, then you just need simply go and select the music. And let me tell you one thing, that as you can see that all of the music that are right here is already present in your Android device. So that means you can't download music from this specific player. You can't connect to internet and download music. That's not possible. This is simply a music player. This will not detect any audio or music from the external service because it will detect only the music that is in your file in your device. So it's just a music player and you won't be able to download anything from here. But if you've downloaded any music, then it will just come and sit here and you'll be able to listen music, the downloaded music from this player. So if you want to add music in Lark Player, then just go and download some music from other sites or from other applications. Just go and download it, and once it has been downloaded and once it has been set in your files, then it will show in Lark Player. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.